In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bjorgum RSI in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. Before we jump in, make sure you're already logged into your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. This guide will show you how to find the Bjorgum RSI indicator, add it to your chart, and get to the settings so you can customize it the way you like. First, look at the top of your TradingView chart for the indicators button. This is usually near the middle of the toolbar at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window where you can search through all the built-in and community tools that TradingView offers. Once that window is open, move your attention to the search bar at the very top of that panel. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click inside the search bar so your cursor is active and ready to type. Now type Bjorgum RSI into the search bar. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right indicator appears. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see Bjorgum RSI show up in the list of indicators. When you see it, click on the name of the indicator. As soon as you click it, TradingView will add Bjorgum RSI to your chart, usually in a separate pane below your price chart, just like a standard RSI. With the indicator now on your chart, the next step is to access its settings so you can adjust it to your own trading style. On the left side of the indicator panel or near the indicator title, you'll see a small gear icon. That gear icon is the settings button for Bjorgum RSI. Click on that gear to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can usually adjust things like lengths, levels, colors, and visual style. Take a moment to look through each tab so you understand what you can change. You might want to tweak the colors to match your chart theme or adjust the inputs to align with the way you use RSI in your strategy. When you're done customizing, click OK or close the window and your changes will be applied immediately. If you don't already have TradingView Pro and want to use the same tools shown in this tutorial, you can use the sign up link in my video description. That will take you straight to the TradingView site where you can create your account and then follow along with these exact steps. And that's all you need to quickly add Bjorgum RSI in TradingView Pro and get it set up on your charts.